before regarding the exams, and they're being taken in the testing center. So I want to talk about partly the reason why, and partly how to do it if you're taking them on the Grayson campus. So the reason why we want to take exams in the testing centers is I want to see your work. I want to be able to give partial credit. If you take exams in an online format, the answer is pretty much either right or wrong. And how many of us have the proper procedure? We either type it in our calculator incorrectly, or maybe we add incorrectly, or transpose a number, or any of those things. Okay? And I don't think it's really fair on your part if you get the entire thing incorrect. So I really want to see more of your procedure. It's kind of like if you write a paper, the professor gets to see all of your context clues. Your context, your paragraphs, everything else. She understands where you're headed. Or she understands what you're thinking of. Maybe you have a few misspelled words. In math, all I get to see is those misspelled words, basically. So that's why I don't like doing online assessments. Okay? So we really want to see that process and everything. As I've mentioned before, you cannot use a graphing calculator. You can use a scientific calculator in the class. If you take your exams at a Grayson testing site, they will have these available for you. So I would get used to using the TI-30X2S if at all possible. But now let's see how to go through on the Grayson website and register for an exam at Grayson. Okay? Now it makes sense if we were to come over here to current students. That doesn't actually work. If you'll come over here to admissions and then go to testing and assessment, and then scroll down, and you're just going to come here to register BLAST. It doesn't matter if you're on the summer or on the spring. The website is the same. This website is also going to be located in the Canvas shell. Okay? But if you come to register BLAST, the first thing that you're going to do is choose a group. And you'll choose college course exams at whichever campus. I'm going to choose the main campus because at the moment they haven't loaded the exams at the South Campus yet, but at main campus. And then you'll come down here to choose an exam. And you'll kind of notice that they've already loaded. Basically, my exams are the only ones loaded at this point. But you could actually go ahead and schedule all of your exams. You'd have to schedule them one at a time. But let's say that I want to do my statistics exam 1. And then you come here to select a date. And it has the dates that it's available. Okay? You'll notice that I have 5 days that it's available. And I select the Friday. And then it has the times that I can select. Now you'll notice that that's a Thursday. On the Thursday, they're open from 8 to 4. Well, you can start your exam from 8 to 4. But if I select Monday, I can start my exam from 8 to 7. Because they're open later on Mondays. Okay? So these, whatever day you select, and then you select your start time. And so say I take a 9 a.m. and then you have to fill in your information, and then you would add it to the cart. And you could go back and select exam 2, and you could even go find the final exam. Now, notice, the final exam, I don't see any dates here. Click on this button here, next, and then you see the final exam dates, which I need to tell him that it is not available on Friday the 30th. The 29th is the last day that that exam is available. Okay? And same thing here. It's available till the 28th, and so forth. You will notice that some of these are available on Fridays. Starting July 9th, the testing center is open on Fridays. The month of June, they're not open on Friday. But this is how you would set up your exam at the testing center, and you'll receive an email confirmation. Just make sure that you select the correct campus that you want, and then go from there. Okay? If you have questions, please let me know.